बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम करने वाला है। Allah intends for you ease and does not intend for you hardship. Al-Quran. Muskan voice 786. Today we discussed about signs that Allah wants good for us. Perhaps you have a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not. Al-Quran. Allah does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear. Al-Quran. Allah says, if Allah knows any good in your hearts, He will give you something better than what was taken from you. Al-Quran. When you feel all alone in this world and there's nobody to count your tears, just remember, no matter where you are, Allah knows, Allah knows. Allah loves those who turn to Him. Al-Quran. If Allah knows you can't handle it, He won't test you with it. Allah Jalal Ta'ala promised us that He does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear. Never skip a prayer, and there are millions in their graves wishing to come back to life, only to promise to Allah. When Allah knows you are ready for the responsibility of commitment, He will reveal the right person under the right circumstances. Wait patiently. Don't waste your time searching and wishing. Grow and be ready. You will see Allah will give you a love story for better than could ever dream of. If Allah should aid you, no one can overcome you. But if He should forsake you, who is there that can aid after Him? And upon Allah let the believers rely. Surah Rahman. If anyone constantly seeks pardon from Allah, Allah will appoint for him a way out of every distress and a relief from every anxiety, and will provide substances for him from where he expects not. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Muskan Voice 786.